In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce for the first time. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to your organization's Salesforce login page. If your team shared a special link or a custom Salesforce address, use that. Otherwise, you can use the standard Salesforce login page that your company recommends. Before you proceed, glance at the address bar to make sure you're on a secure page with a padlock and an HTTPS connection. This helps ensure you're signing in safely. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you can return to it quickly next time. On the page you land on, look for the login option. It's typically at the top right or clearly labeled as a button on the main screen. Click it to move to the sign-in experience. Some organizations present multiple login methods. If you see choices, select Salesforce Login. This tells the system you want to use your standard Salesforce username and password, rather than an alternate sign-in option provided by your company. Now enter your username. In many cases, this is your work identity as assigned by your administrator. Type it exactly as it was provided to you. If you're pasting from a document, watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end. If your password manager offers to fill it in, double check that it's pointing to the correct site. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so confirm caps lock is off and that special characters are entered correctly. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your credentials in the browser. If you prefer using a password manager, make sure it's a trusted one and that it stores the entry securely. When you're ready, click Login to submit your credentials. On your first login, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could include entering a code sent to you or approving a prompt from an authenticator app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You might also be prompted to update your password or review security settings. Take a moment to complete those steps carefully so your account stays protected. If your credentials don't work, recheck for typos and remove any accidental spaces. After several failed attempts, your account could be temporarily locked for security, so proceed slowly and carefully. If needed, use the Forgot Your Password link on the page or reach out to your administrator for assistance. Never share your password with anyone. Once you're in, you should land on your Salesforce homepage or dashboard. That's it. You've successfully logged in for the first time. Remember to keep your login link bookmarked, and you'll be ready for a smooth sign-in next time.